Hi, let's begin with the verse. Kapapittaharam varnyam ushnam tiktam avadalam padolam kadugam page vrishyam rojana deepanam. We are talking about padola. So into the topic. Padola is a vegetable that is used regularly in our foods. It is called pointed gourd and its botanical name is Trichoxanthus dioica. Its family is Cucurbitaceae. So a thing that we have been using in our diet, like we should know its health benefits as well. So that is the significance of selecting this topic for today's discussion. So this padolam is an agent that reduces blood sugar. So it is an antidiabetic in its action. It is anti-inflammatory. It is beneficial in maintaining good GI health. It is beneficial in lifestyle disorders, in dyslipidemia, in liver disorders. It is of immense use. So is the case with its benefits in skin complaints. It is also beneficial in tackling Kapha and Pitta doshas in the body, and at the same time it isn't going to aggravate Vata in the body. So we can make use of it in many ways, like Ayurveda uses padolam in different formulations for different effects. For example, there is Padoladi Krida that is used in ENT disorders. There is Padoladi Churna in Grahani or duodenal complaints. We make use of it. There is Padola Kadurohinyadi Kashaya that is very effective in jaundice and other liver disorders. Then there is Padola Muladi Kashaya that is beneficial in skin manifestations and so on. So this padola is, we said it is Rojana Deepana. It is very good in kindling the digestive fire. It is of Tikta Rasa, Ushna Virya and Kadu Vipaka. But it isn't going to enhance the Vata in the body. At the same time, it pacifies Pitta and Kapha. So this is about padola. So keep continuing the usage of this herb, of this plant in your diet, and you will get its medicinal benefits. At the same time, you can make use of it as a laxative and as a liver detoxifier or liver stimulant also. Thank you.